The good news is sleep apnea is a 100% treatable condition. If testing does indicate obstructive sleep apnea, then there are a number of treatment options that can help you and your sleeping partner breathe and sleep better at night. So if you're watching this video and you're a snorer or your bed partner is a snorer, I want you to seriously consider getting checked for sleep apnea. The good news is you can now do tests from home from the comfort of your own bed. Home sleep tests for sleep apnea have come a long way in the last few years since COVID. So again, there is really no downside to getting tested. I've even included a link to what I think is the best HST on the market in the description below.